In these unprecedented times of working and studying from home, we at Mega Learning are launching our most complete and exciting online simulation to date. It's been designed to spark the engagement of students and professionals working in virtual teams and learning together. We want to help business schools and companies in their efforts to adapt smoothly and quickly to their changing environment. For capstone courses at graduate and postgraduate levels, it's especially necessary to make sure students are looking at the big picture from an economic, social, and environmental perspective of business, while integrating the right business skills before starting off their professional life. Because it's become a challenge to gather students in a classroom, demand for virtual classes is growing bigger than ever. When transitioning online, you should ask yourself, how do I keep students engaged while they're working from home? Which content do I use that feeds students' curiosity while fitting into your course curriculum? And finally, what's the ideal format for them to learn from home? We believe in technology to enable teamwork and class dynamics remotely, and we believe in experience and action as a channel to long-term learning. That's why our latest development caters to what professors and students need to optimize their teaching and learning experience respectively, especially when everyone is working remotely. We developed a game where students will learn fundamental concepts with direct application. The Customer Value Challenge is a business simulation game that lets students explore key concepts and dimensions of running a product portfolio. Designed for groups of 1 to thousands of participants, multiple decision rounds intertwined with your theoretical frameworks is what allows students to apply their knowledge instantaneously and to learn by doing. Integrated into your strategy or marketing courses, the key learnings for students will be to first tackle the 3 components of a business model, which include building a value proposition, reviewing the company's internal value chain, and finally validating the profit and environmental equation, which are the outcome of the 2 preceding components. Other objectives include, among others, designing and implementing company strategy, exploring market dynamics, and improving company results by using metrics such as the ROCE, cash flow, CO2 emissions, employee morale, and the cost and expense structure, thanks to a graphical interface. Our remote interface makes it very easy for teachers to monitor activities of teams. It's very easy to set up, very easy to use, and the system allows you to run the simulation completely online. No download is needed. Flexibility is really one of our values, so you can spread the game over days, weeks, or months, depending on what your needs are. And we know it works. Our latest mission has been to move online in less than a week what was originally a face-to-face 2-day program integrating 650 students from 8 different campuses around France. With their 28 professors, we set up a detailed agenda guiding stay-at-home students to various online environments where they could work as separate teams and get direct feedback from their professors or attend sessions with 25 or 650 of their peers. Also supported by chat, we were able to deliver an experience that was just as thrilling as a face-to-face game, even adding the virtual team dimension. Feedbacks we received from students and professors alike include a very nice and playful experience integrating complexity and content-rich decision-making, seamlessly as usual. The balance between the model's complexity, key learnings, and a realistic simulation is the core value of the game, which is super straightforward to use. The interface works perfectly for distance learning and is super user-friendly, next to a great design. We've already worked with thousands of professors and students across the world with virtual solutions, and all it takes is a conference call system such as Microsoft Teams or Zoom and a well-structured agenda. Get in touch for free access to the simulation and let the game begin.